Struggling to find developer options on your Android phone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable developer mode in just 30 seconds on any Android device. First, open Settings on your phone. Keep in mind, because of different phone brands and models, the menu names may look slightly different on your device. Now tap on About Phone. Find build number and tap on it 5 times continuously. You may be asked to enter your PIN, pattern, or password to confirm. After that, go back to the main settings screen. Tap on System. Now tap on Developer Options. That's it. Developer Options is now enabled, and you can start using developer features on your phone. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Android tips.